A warm welcome to everyone in my YouTube channel. This is Ankita Agrawal. Today we are going to learn about VLOOKUP in Excel. What is VLOOKUP? Search for a value in the leftmost column of a data range and then return a value in the same row from the column you have specified in the range. Now here in this example you can see I have stored two tables in one sheet. First is fruit and color and their values, and the same way another table in which only the values are directly stored. Either you can save the two things in two different sheets. I have stored both the things in one sheet. Now here you can see we need to find out the apple value that is stored in the another table. Now here for finding it out we will write down VLOOKUP, and you can see now the parameters have been coming like lookup value, table array, column index number and range lookup. Lookup value is the value to be found out in the first column of the array. The next is table array. The table of the information in the data is looked up. Next is column number, column index number, that is the column number in the table array for which the matching value should be returned. The last is range lookup, the logical value that specify whether you want to find out an exact value or exact match. If the value is true, the exact match is returned, and if it is false, exact match is not returned, and the next largest value will be returned and the lookup value is returned. So in order to find out the lookup value, so we have to find out the value for apple. So we will write down either A5 directly, or you can mention it in the form of a string also, like for which value you want to find out the data. Next is the table array. The table array is the array in which the second table will be stored, or if you have specified in the same, you can store it as the range, like this is D2, this is D2 is to E2, and next is the column index number, that is which is this is the second, and then the value to be returned we will be writing false if it is exact match. And then when you will press enter, you can see the red value has been returned. So in this way you can find out the value for any column or either the row. Thanks for viewing my channel.